Vanakkam children. Today we are going to see about the Mysore War. Who was called as the Tiger of Mysore? Tipu Sultan. Yes. Now we are going to see about the Mysore War in our book. Mysore under resistance to the British expansion. The state of Mysore rose to the prominence means important in the politics of South India under the leadership of Hyder Ali 1760 to 1782. He and his son Tipu Sultan. So Hyder Ali paiyan yaru Tipu Sultan. In the year 1782 and 1799 played a prominent role against the expansion of British Empire in India. Both of them faced the English with courage. In 1761, Hyder Ali became the de facto ruler of Mysore. He also proved to be the most formidable enemy of the English in India. Now we are going to see about the first Anglo-Mysore War. Anglo means British, the war against British and Mysore. Causes. Hyder Ali's growing power and his friendly relationship with the French became a matter of concern for the East India Company. So, Hyder Ali was has friendship with French. This was hated by English. The Marathas, the Nizam and the English entered into the triple alliance against Hyder Ali. The Nizam, with the help of the British troop under General Joseph Smith, invaded Mysore in the year 1767. Hyder Ali defeated English and captured the Mangalore, border of Kerala and Karnataka. In March 1769, he attacked Madras and forced the English to sign the treaty on 4th April 1769. Treaty of Madras in the year 1769. At the end of the war, the Treaty of Madras was signed between Hyder Ali and British East India Company. Both the parties returned the conquered territories and promised to help each other in the case of any foreign attack. So, British and Hyder Ali made an agreement that they should help each other if any foreign attack. The Second Anglo-Mysore War. Causes. The English did not fulfill the terms of the treaty in 1769. So, they have promised that they will help each other, isn't it? But the English did not fulfill the terms. When Hyder Ali's territory were attacked in 1771 by Marathas, Hyder Ali did not get any help from the British. British captured Maghi, a French settlement within the Hyder Ali jurisdiction. It led to the formation of an alliance by Hyder Ali with the Nizam and Marathas against the English in 1779. Course. In 1781, the British General Sir Eyre Coote defeated Hyder Ali at Porto Novo. It is Parangipettai, Kadalur district. The Mysore forces suffered another defeat at Solinger. Hyder Ali died of cancer during the course of war. After the death of Hyder Ali in 1782, his son Tipu Sultan continued the war against English. Tipu captured Brigadier Matthews, the supreme commander of the British forces, along with the soldiers in 1783. It was a serious loss to Tipu. Treaty of Mangalore in the year 1784. On 7th March 1784, the Treaty of Mangalore was signed between the two parties. Both of them agreed to return the captured territories and also return the prisoners of the war. So, in the treaty என்ன பண்ணாங்க அப்படின்னா அவங்க capture பண்ணி வச்சிருந்த prisoners எல்லாம் விடுவிக்க சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Thus, Warren Hastings saved the newly established British dominion means power from the wrath of the powerful enemies like Marathas and Hyder Ali. When the British lost their colonies in America, Warren Hastings had nothing lost in India. Instead, he consolidated means he joined the British power in India. The Third Anglo-Mysore War. Causes. Tipu was trying to seek alliance means join of foreign powers against the English, and for the purpose he has sent his ambassador to France and Turkey. So, to get help from France and Turkey, he has sent one ambassador means Thudubar. Tipu attacked on Travancore in 1789, whose ruler was an ally of the British. 1789 அவர் வந்து Travancore attack பண்றார். யாரு திப்பு. அங்க அட்டாக் பண்ண ரூலர் யார் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தாங்கன்னா பிரிட்டிஷோட ஃப்ரெண்ட். The English, Nizam and the Marathas entered into triple alliance against Mysore. Course. Tipu fought along which continued for 2 years. It was fought in the 3 phases. The attack of the English under General Meadows failed. Therefore, in December 1790, Cornwallis himself took the commander of the army. பிரிட்டிஷா இப்போ யார் வந்திருக்காங்க? கார்ன்வாலிஸ் வந்திருக்கார். கார்ன்வாலிஸ் கேப்சர்ட் ஆல் த ஹில் ஃபோர்ட், மலைக்கோட்டை எல்லாத்தையும் கேப்சர் பண்ணிட்டார். See, towards Srirangapatnam, it is in Karnataka district, and reached near its outer wall. Tipu felt desperate and opened negotiation, desperate na hopeless, and opened negotiation agreement with the English. Cornwallis agreed and the Treaty of Srirangapatnam was concluded in 1792. Treaty of Srirangapatnam 1792. Tipu surrendered half of his kingdom to the allies. Tipu agreed to pay 3.6 crore of rupees to the English as a war indemnity. A war indemnity compensation அர்த்தம், அந்த இழப்பை ஈடுகட்டுறது. And surrendered 2 of his sons, அவரோட பசங்க 2 பேத்தையும் ஆஸ்ட்ரேஜா பனை கைதியா to the English. The English acquired Malabar, Coorg, Dindigul, Baramal, that is Coimbatore and Salem. The fourth Anglo-Mysore War. Tipu Sultan did not forget the humiliating, means feel ashamed of the Treaty of Srirangapatnam imposed upon by him by Cornwallis in 1790. Causes. Tipu sought alliance with the foreign powers against the English and sent an ambassador to Arabia, Turkey, Afghanistan and the French. Tipu was in correspondence, means connection with Napoleon, the emperor of French, who invaded Egypt at that time. The French officers came to Srirangapatnam, where they founded a Jacobin club and planted the Tree of Liberty. It is a political club of French Revolution. Course. Wellesley declared war against Tipu in 1799. The war was short and decisive. As planned, the Bombay army under the General Swart invaded Mysore from the west. The Madras army, which was led by the Governor General's brother Arthur Wellesley, forced Tipu to retreat to his capital Srirangapatnam. On 4th May 1799, Srirangapatnam was captured by the British. Tipu fought bravely and was killed finally. Thus ended the 4th Mysore War, and the whole of Mysore lay prostrate before the British. The whole of the Mysore came under the control of British. But even though Tipu Sultan fought bravely, Mysore after the war, the British occupied Kanara, Wayanad, Coimbatore, Dharapuram and Srirangapatnam. Krishna Raj Odayar of the former Hindu royal family was brought to the throne. So Mysore யார் ராஜாவை கொண்டு வந்துட்டாங்க? கிருஷ்ணராஜ உடையார். Tipu's family was sent to the fort of Velur. Tipuவோட family எங்கே கொண்டு போயிட்டாங்க? வேலூர் கோட்டைக்கு கொண்டு போயிட்டாங்க. Thank you for watching this video. I will attach a flowchart for this lesson and a map. Children, now see the map. Battles under British rule. Battle of Plassey 1757, it is in Bengal. Battle of Buxar 1764, it is in Bihar. See the Carnatic Wars place: Madras, Vandivash, Porto Novo, Arcot, Ambur. Now see the Mysore War places: Mangalore, Srirangapatnam, isn't it?